Audition si Zaki sa SM Little Star. Ooh. Are you ready, Zaki boy?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Good luck! Kiss mommy! Come here! Kiss mommy! Good luck, babe! Good luck, ha?
Alright, we have our male number 3. What's your name? Zeke Lucas Brazos. Zeke, how old is Zeke? How old are you? 6 years old. When is your birthday? September 29.
Complete?
Alright, so he's turning 7 in September. Alright, Zeke, where do you live? Gansohong, Talisay City. Inside po yung Nico dito eh. Asan man si Mommy? Hi, Mommy! Alright. Love ni mo si Mommy? Wow! On a scale of 1 to 10. 1, pinakagamay na love. 10, pinakadako na love. O saan? Jack, inambitaw mo. Second, Isabella has a question for Zeke.
Hi, Zeke! Hi. So you're 6 years old. And then you are already studying, right? Yes. At school, do you have a best friend? The closest friend at school? Do you have one?
Nagnauna pa.
Naguna-una pa siya kung best friend ba yun sila ulit. Best friend here. Best friend here.
Okay, what's the name of your best friend?
Ezekiel. Jessica.
Jessica. So, she's a female best friend.
Girl best friend.
Wow, okay. When you're with your best friend, you're together, you're playing, and then suddenly Jessica got hurt accidentally. Maybe she fell and then na-hurt gamay ang knees, maybe her knees or legs. What will you do? You will how?
Pick her up.
That's true because that's what, you know, buhaton sa mga best friends, no? We help our friends, no? We pick them up when they're down. Very good job.
Yay! And Zeke has a talent for us today. Kung sa imong talent mo today, Zeke? Tulak. Mag-poetry si Zeke. Alright. Applause for Zeke! Male 006. And your name is? What's your name, my love? Zael. Ano ba? How to spell? Oh, dear judges, problema nyo na to. Zael. Zael, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Zael is 8 years old. And where are you from?
From Cebu, Consong, Talisay City.
Cebu. Damali. Talisay.
Oo. Another my bus. Oo naman. Alright, Zael. So why did you decide to join SM Little Stars today?
Because I want to show my talent.
You do? Ready na?
Yes.
Ay, did you prepare for today?
Yes.
No, uy.
Ito na.
Wala,
So,
my God.
What
We're
are you
not
going to
ready.
do for us today?
I'm going to tell a tula.
Tula, poetry tayo. Alright, go Zayel, right over there in the center, please. A round of applause for Zayel, everybody.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Zelical E. Lazo, Cultural Monterey, tula ni Emma R. Agustin. Dito sa aming paaralan, marami po kaming natutunan. Tinuturuan kami manalangin sa simula at pagtapos ng aralin. Ganon din sa tuwing kami ay kakain kapag naglalaro, patas at walang tuso, kaya ang araw ay sulit at laging bibo at bago umuwi, nanalangin muli na nagligtigtas sa aming pag-uwi. Kaya salamat po aming mahal na Ama sa tamang asal at magandang kultura na turo sa amin ng aming pangalawang ina. Kaya mga bata sa Monterey School, pasok na. Salamat po.